Hi, little scientists. It's me, Dr. Meow Mew. Have you ever wondered, why do so many leaves fall in autumn? Let's find out together. Color change magic. In autumn, the days get shorter and there's less sunshine. That's when leaves start changing color.
Wow!
Wow, what a magical rainbow of leaves. Less photosynthesis. Leaves need sunlight to make food for the tree. This is called photosynthesis. But in autumn, with less sunlight, leaves can't make much food anymore. The tree saves energy. So what does the tree do? It starts to save energy, like turning off lights when we don't need them. The tree gently closes the tubes that feed the leaves. Leaf falling time. When the leaf is no longer getting water or food, it lets go and falls softly to the ground. Bye-bye, leaf. Why falling is good. But wait, falling leaves are not useless. They protect the soil, give homes to tiny animals, and help new plants grow in spring. Amazing, right? Winter is coming. So when the leaves fall, the tree can rest and stay safe through the cold winter. That's pretty smart, don't you think? Knowledge recap. Let's remember what we learned today. Leaves fall in autumn because... Why do leaves fall? Leaves change color because trees stop making food. No more sunlight equals no more green color. Trees save energy by closing off the tubes to the leaves, like turning off the water or flipping a switch. Leaves fall so the tree can rest and stay safe in winter, just like you rest and wear warm clothes. Quiz time. Let's see if you remember. Why do leaves fall in autumn? The wind blows them off. B. The tree wants to rest and save energy. C. Dr. Meow Mew pulls them down for fun. Which one do you think is right? Thanks for learning with me today. Keep asking great questions, and I'll see you next time for more science fun. Bye-bye.